everyone, my name is Jess Buss and I am a systems designer with ESG. Today we are going to discuss the brand new and exciting 6900 Mitel series phones. Here we have the new 6920, 6930, and 6940 IP phones. These models are sleek with modern styling and have high quality feel. You can see here on the handset that Mitel has enhanced the handset ribs for improved shouldering. The HD speakerphone now has a sealed acoustic chamber for exceptional performance and less feedback. The improved 6900 series handset provides outstanding HD audio quality. The three models come equipped with high-resolution color displays, with the 6920 providing 18 programmable keys, the 6930 providing 72 keys, and the 6940 providing 96 programmable keys. The 6940 also has a touchscreen display, which allows you to scroll through your screens and menu options with ease. The new 6900 series also has mobile link compatibility. The 6930 and 6940 come with this feature out of the box, while the 6920 can have features added. You can manage both IP and cell phone calls from the desk phone. You can use your desk phone for mobile calls via the Bluetooth, seamlessly move calls from the cell to desk and back again, and sync contacts from the mobile to your desk phone. The first time you plug in your phone, the contacts will be imported for you. Thereafter, the system syncs the contacts for updates. You can also charge your mobile from your desk phone via a dedicated port on the 6930 and 6940. Mitel now has a broader range of accessories offered to customize your phone as you see fit. Those accessories include Bluetooth cordless handset and a decked handset to enhance value via mobile audio in and around the office. There is a USB Bluetooth adapter for the 6920 for mobile integration and cordless handsets. And a 28-button color self-labeling PKM is supported on all models, and you can have up to 3 per phone. I've had the chance to use the 6940 for a while now, and what I like most about this phone is being able to sync my cell phone contacts onto my desk phone, as well as the cordless handset device, so I never feel tied to my desk while on a call. I can be on the phone and stop in another office down the hall, or run to the printer without having to put anyone on hold or dropping the call. It's just a really nice feature to have. Thank you for watching. Give us a call today to schedule a demo and see how the 6900 series IP phones fit your business needs. I'm Jess Buss. We'll see you next time.